Once again to this YouTube channel. If you're new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and give us a like, comment to our videos, and share our videos. Yeah, this is Bima information. There's something many people have been asking about courtesy car loss of use. What is courtesy car? What is loss of use when it comes to insurance? Now, in a motor private comprehensive policy, you are actually given an option of choosing whether you want that benefit of courtesy car or a stroke. Sometimes it's called a loss of use. Now, that loss of use, what does it cover? It covers you, it actually covers you against use of other means of transport when your vehicle is being garaged. Maybe it is in the garage after getting a claim. Now they will actually either give you, there are two ways they can cover you against such. One, there are companies which allow you to go and look for a vehicle that is within the limit that you had insured, and after that you'll provide them with the invoices and the receipts, and they will pay you. That is on cash in lieu. The other option is there are companies which have partnered with car hire companies, such that when you get a claim and the documentation is fully submitted to the insurance company, now they will issue an LPU to the car hire company. Then the car hire company will give you a vehicle that is just slightly the same way as your vehicle was. So let's say, for example, you had you had a Toyota Harrier. You can be given a Mazda CX-5. You can be given a Toyota Harrier. You can be given which another vehicle? Maybe at the least it can be a Toyota Vanguard. If you had a Toyota Axio, the least you can only be given maybe a Toyota Fielder. You can be given a Premium. You can be given a Mazda Xela, such kind of vehicles. So they have to be within the same range of the kind of the vehicles that you owned. You cannot get an accident with a Fielder, then they give you a courtesy car in form of a Prado. It is not possible. So that's why we say that they'll give you a vehicle that is slightly the same, more or less the one that you had before you got into an accident. Now, the things that are not covered when it comes to courtesy car, they don't cover for the fuel for the courtesy car that you'll be getting from them. That one is not covered. And another thing you need to know, courtesy car is not a must cover. So it is not an automatic benefit that when you get comprehensive cover, you must have courtesy car. No. It is something that you need to confirm from your insurance broker or agent if he has included, or if he has not included, then that is something that can always be included in the middle, or when the policy is still ongoing. But you'll still pay the full premiums. They do not backdate. They do not actually backdate those premiums to the period that you're requesting. You pay the full premiums for the courtesy car or loss of use. Yes, that is the basic things about courtesy car stroke loss of use benefit when it comes to motor private insurance policy. It actually gives you allowance that you can continue with your businesses even though your vehicle is still at the garage. It gives you an allowance that your mobility will still be the same way your vehicle will give you new mobility. It will still give you the same class that you had before you actually got an accident, and that is the importance of insurance. Asante sana.